This is the former pink and teal. All right. Cameras, are we ready? This is the sport class, bracket 1, brought to you by Hobby Town. This is Chris, the Bigfoot Cruiser, versus Brendan and Stalker. Drivers ready? Watch the light. All right, good shot for the two trucks here. Nice even start, both high attention to the Stalker. And Bigfoot's going to keep it on a penalty. Yeah, two-time and a turn marker. All right, cameras, are we ready? Drivers ready? Watch the light. All right, nice start for these two trucks. Oh, Sam's gonna keep it with McLaren. All right, Sam and Red Bull versus Mark in the Road Rash. Cameras, are we ready? Drivers ready? Watch the light. Wow, wheelie for the Red Bull off the start. Nice even. All right, and in the final turn, looks like Road Rash. Tire. All right, drivers are on the line. Cameras, are we ready? Drivers ready? Watch the light. Good start there. Oh, into the wall for the grave digger. Carter Stoltz right behind him. All right, so Jacob's going to give him the lap. And Jacob, Carter Stoltz, moving on. Oh, man, he's pulling right, brother. The camber on this thing is real close. It's like a Stan Civic out there if I've ever seen one. All right, drivers ready. Watch the light. We're going racing. Sport class. Bracket 1. Whoa, camber. Waving at the crowd. Getting the flag. Boy, using the motor on the front. Walking it on the case to win. Not on his watch. If he had anything to say about Troy moving to the next round. Nice and green and yellow. But I do appreciate the snake bite that went into the shed. That was a good snake bite too. Alright, but Batman, who cares about that thing? Drivers ready. Watch the light. Because Troy's on the course. Troy looking fast out of that corner. Slight lead over snake bite. Batman using the power. Snake bite on the rails. Looking like Sky Hartley out there. Batman moving to the next round. Good drive, Troy. Yo, that's definitely Sky Hartley. That's like 97 Truck Fest Sky Hartley. Sorry, we're comparing glasses because we're all just blind men back here. All right, drivers ready, watch the light. Because we can't see nothing back here. All right, USA 1, classic matchup. USA 1, track 1, advantage. Hitting the pole on the sidewalls. Rolling over, leaving the door open for tires. Slide that truck around on carpet. Team Crunch looking fast, but can put it together against Grave Digger. Drivers ready, watch the light. Here we go. Sport class brought to you by Hobby Town. Bracket 1. Grave Digger's on the side, leaving the door open for King Crunch to sail around to the next round. Great racing, great confidence, solid Grave Digger's market. I love to see it, folks. Bigfoot looking good, but Bigfoot looking better. All right, let's see which Bigfoot's going to take it to the top. Drivers ready, watch the light. We're going racing. Bigfoot versus Bigfoot, 1.5, 1 doesn't. Which one's going to be a Bigfoot in the lead? Oh, Bigfoot takes Roof, leaving the door open for Bigfoot leaving as Roof moving on to the next round. The faster we get, the more these trucks are going to roll, folks. Bigfoot still running with a hot hot motor. We just seen him make his way out of the second round straight into the semifinals. Drivers, watch the light. We're going racing right here. Sport class. Sam with the McLaren, skimming that hole, basically just costing him a race. But still looking to make up for 8 laps. Bigfoot moving to the next round. Sorry, Sam. All right. Oh, what, the angled stage? Yeah, I told all you guys this morning. Yeah. Drivers ready. Watch the light. We're going racing. S&P 10, screen off the line. Looking mildly similar. Berkeley 5, Jacob, great corner. Who's it going to be? Road Rash. Moving on to the next round. That's some great racing, folks. That's what we like to see out here.
All right, guys. Drivers ready. Cameras, watch the light. Massive call, gonna take that. Have a good race.
Bigfoot Cruiser, King Crunch, Racer. One's got the stripe, one's got the sizzle. Who's it going to be? Drivers, watch the light. We're going green. Bigfoot still out the line. King Crunch, right advantage. King Kyle coming back. King Crunch taking off on. King Crunch hit the pole. 1, 2. Who's that going to be? All right, so King Crunch moving to the next round. Oh, Bigfoot 11 moving to the next round. My apologies. All right, drivers ready, watch the light, we're going racing. Oh wow, Bigfoot, great corner. Going fast, nice side, this one the truck that can lift up at these high speeds. Road Rat, moving up the next round over Bigfoot. Yep. Yes, ready but not set. Once we're set and ready, tiptoeing off, drivers ready. Watch the light, because we're ready. And we're going racing right here. Winner goes to the finals. Troy, you use the smoke tag. Ooh, getting crunchy, man, on that rear axle. Troy, side lead over Bigfoot. Troy, whoa, man. I don't know if you got front wheel drive or what. Well, we got that crisp and crackling at this point round. We'll see him on the trailer. All right. Taking the angled stage, one tire in, tiptoeing, final round. Drivers, watch the light. And we're going to see who's taking on the trophy right here. Roll that car, short off over that silent advantage into the corner. One more jump. It's going to be Road Rash. Troy leaving it on the track. Make some noise for him. Taking home your Sport Mod bracket round win. Brought to you by Hobby Town USA Westminster. Nice stylish victory wheelie. Stick around, get your photo out on the track.